I'm Jared Abbott, but when I'm cooking up a storm in the kitchen, you can call me Chef Jay. Right now I'm going to show you one of my favorite, simplest recipes is how to make restaurant-style salsa in a food processor. Making fresh salsa seems pretty complicated, but it's actually quite simple. You need a couple simple ingredients: fresh tomatoes, some onion, some sort of chili or pepper like a jalapeno, like green onion, cilantro, a little bit of salt, lime juice. Chop it up or blend it up like we're doing today. Really easy. Now before you bust out the food processor, some quick prep work is required. You gotta chop your tomatoes just in half or quarters depending how big they are. Chop your onion real fine and real coarsely. Jalapeno, same. Green onion. Let's pack it all in. Now I've got to put some liquid in there so it starts to blend. I'm going to use lime juice and a little bit of oil as well. Adding liquid to your food processor mixture is going to help get those blades spinning, otherwise it can get kind of stuck in there. So I'll use lime juice, a little olive oil. You could add water if you want to. All right, so I've chosen to use a little handheld personal blender food processor. You could use a larger one like a Cuisinart or something like that for larger portion sizes. Boom, flip it over. Let it start going to work. Got all my fresh ingredients blended up in this delicious salsa. My last couple ingredients I added were salt and a little bit of fresh ground cumin. Just gonna put that in the bowl. It's a nice smooth texture. I've got a chip here to give it a taste. It's taster time. Yeah, the citrus from the lime comes through. Not too much salt, a little bit of heat from the peppers. That's a fresh salsa, just like they make it in the restaurant with a food processor. I'm Chef Jay. Thanks a lot, everyone.